Welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day. Please pause the screen if you're new to trading stock and options, and I would encourage you to visit optionscreening.com, link on your screen to understand the risk associated with trading stock and options. All right, let's take a look at the model. So what to expect short-term and long-term? This is one of our main models, trend, following the trend, artificial intelligence that learns on the data and makes predictions for different time intervals. For 10 days, you can see strong momentum behind the spiders. Support is 408, overhead resistance is 414. We are currently trading at 407, so the lower band. If you zoom out for the next 6 months, neutral trend, potentially reaching 431 April, May. If you look at the prices of silver, we see a strong upward momentum breaking through the overhead resistance, almost reaching 52-week high, and gold is reaching close to all-time high and breaking out. So we already see that precious metals, I think it's a recessionary trade, are breaking out to the upside. And you see also after the manufacturing data yesterday and orders data today and the JOLTS unemployment numbers today indicating that less jobs are being opened, created, and manufacturing data. And one of the sectors, the industrials, are continuing to pull back, and we see a strong retesting the recent lows. Very important level. If 10-year yield breaks through this level, I think you can expect more downward pressure in the market. So looking at the silver and gold, looking at the yield, I would be concerned if the certain yields is oversold and should bounce back. But if it doesn't, if it can't hold this level, then the pullback will continue. The most important data is unemployment data and hourly wages. That's coming up on Friday. Tomorrow and Thursday, I think we have services PMI. So market is oversold and should bounce unless the data is worse than expected and fears of recession restart. So looking at the spiders, trading right at this overhead resistance at 407. If we break through this level, the next level would be 402.5 as your support. Short term, I still think maybe a little bit more room to the upside, retesting potentially 416. That's my core scenario. And then as earnings season starts in the next 2 weeks, I think the passive list resistance is to the downside. And you can actually see that today, an exaggerated reaction in metals and miners, home builders, small cap stocks. You can definitely see that recessionary trade is back on, and we have probably seen the highs for this year. So I am buying silver. So I was trading around silver, so I added to my silver position. And finally, please join us on social media. If you go to YouTube and search for the word TradeSpoon, please follow us. Tomorrow we have live trading room in the morning broadcasted, and the closing bell last hour of the trading session broadcasters on YouTube. Click on subscribe if you find the content useful. Please share it if you're part of any social media channels. Thank you very much and have a great day.